How to add or remove color filter to quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Now, at the top here, swipe down, then tap on the pencil icon. Next, tap on Edit. Then we go down to the Available Buttons panel. From here, tap on Color Filter. Once you tap on that, it will be added to your Quick Settings panel. Then tap on Done. Then tap on Done again to save the changes. Now, if you swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings, then swipe down again to open up the full panel. From here, you can tap on Color Filter to quickly turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. To remove it, you go back into edit mode, then tap on Edit, scroll down, then tap on the Remove button, then tap on Done, then tap on Done to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.